Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own Moringa powder. Making your own Moringa powder is a rewarding process that ensures you get the freshest and most potent product. We will start by carefully harvesting the best leaves from your Moringa tree. Look for vibrant green leaves, free from any blemishes or yellowing, to ensure the highest nutritional value in your homemade powder. This first step is crucial for a high-quality end product. Once harvested, it is essential to properly clean your Moringa leaves. Rinse them gently under cool water to remove any dirt or debris. After washing, carefully pat them dry with a clean towel to remove excess moisture. Then spread the leaves in a single layer on a drying rack or a clean, breathable surface. Air drying in a shaded, well-ventilated spot for several days, typically 3 to 5 days, helps preserve their nutrients and vibrant color. After the leaves are thoroughly dry and brittle, it is time to transform them into powder. First, gently crush the dried leaves by hand to break them into smaller, more manageable pieces. Next, transfer these crushed leaves to a clean blender or a dedicated coffee grinder. Process them in short bursts, allowing the motor to cool between cycles until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder. This step is key to a smooth, usable product. Congratulations, you have made your own Moringa powder. To maintain its freshness and potency, proper storage is vital. Transfer your freshly ground powder into an airtight container immediately. Store this container in a cool, dark, and dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. When stored correctly, your homemade Moringa powder can retain its beneficial properties for up to 6 months, providing a fresh supply for your daily needs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.